Welcome to your 30-minute chest and biceps workout. Today's focus will be lifting light, hitting those high reps, and building strength through repetition. We are starting today's workout by hitting the chest with a loaded plate chest press. This variation can also be done using a machine chest press if that is something that you prefer. We will be doing 3 sets of 15 to 25 reps in today's workout with 1-minute rest periods in between each set. After hitting the chest, we are moving on to the biceps with the standing dumbbell bicep curl. We're going to make sure to engage our core during this exercise while also making sure that we keep tension on the bicep. When doing any bicep movement, I like to imagine the muscle itself as a rubber band, slowly stretching with the descend and then up again with the contraction. After hitting the biceps, we are moving back to the chest with the dumbbell incline pec fly. The incline pec fly is a great variation of a pec fly because of its emphasis and ability to give you an amazing and tremendous stretch when doing the exercise. You are going to want to make sure to go extra light on this exercise because we are focusing on getting a good stretch before every contraction. We are finishing today's workout with cable hammer curls. The hammer curl targets the brachialis, which is a powerful elbow flexor found under the bicep, and building this region makes your arms appear thicker. The hammer curl also adds strength to the wrist and improves your grip strength as well, making it a goated exercise. And that is the end of today's workout. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future workouts. And as always, stay tuned and thank you for watching.
Silhouettes against the glass.